So a producer is struggling with 808s during drill beats and he wants to make them slide instead of hitting normally. So I'm going to teach you guys how to do that in FL Studio. So now that we have FL open, we just want to create a melody. Open up your channel rack, F6, and then you can add a new channel and then add whatever plugin you're going to use for your main melody. I'm just going to use Essential Pianos and the Grand Piano. And then since I want a darker sound, I'm just going to pitch it down a little bit by 800. That's a lot of bit. So I'm just going to make a simple melody here. If you need to learn how to make chords, I'm going to be making a darker sound. So we're going to be using minor chords. So and to make this not all sound the same, I'm going to click Alt and R, and then we're going to bring down the velocity a little bit, and then press the seed button maybe to change it up to randomize it. And then we're going to add in our hi-hats. Hi-hats for these beats are pretty simple, so and then you can also do the velocity thing with that and maybe change the pitch so they don't all hit the same. All right, we got a basic hi-hat pattern, and all I want to do now is add in an 808. So the difference in between a drill 808 and a regular 808 is that regular 808s, they do a short hit like this. And then for drill 808s, they kind of linger. So I'm going to be using the exhaust and the schematics trap starter pack. I'll leave the link in the description. It's completely free. So all you gotta do is click that link to get this trap pack. It comes with 808s and a bunch of other sounds. And now we need to change this so it just lingers out for however long we want. So we want to left click on the instrument, click the envelope for it, and then all we want to do is turn down this attack knob, turn our hold knob all the way up, turn down our decay, turn down our sustain. You can leave the release up if you would like, or tweak with the sustain and things like that if you want to. But I just do this because it's way simpler. So now that we have our 808 set up, we just want to make a simple pattern with it, and then we can tweak the sliding or gliding, what he called it, and I'll show you how to do that. And another thing I want to show you guys is right-clicking your 808 and pressing cut itself so it doesn't overlap and clip into each other. So that's something good to have. In order to achieve our gliding effect, all we want to do is come up here where it says slide, and then we just want to pick one of our top notes to slide it to, and then maybe shorten this so it starts gliding faster. And then you also need to remember to turn the setting off. If you turn off your typing from keyboard, all you got to do is click S. And this gives you access to the cut tool by just pressing C, and all your other tools just by pressing the letter rather than having to press Shift. And then you can also kind of modify it too with the randomizer, Alt and R, and then you can also play with the velocity as well. And then to arrange this, all you want to do is right click on the pattern here and then press split by channel. And then this will give you all your instruments. So, and then make sure you have song mode pressed so you can actually listen to the patterns you're placing on the tracks. And then to make our 808 hit more, we can add some distortion. All you have to do is come over to target our mixer track, and then we want to slide this up either with the mouse wheel or clicking and dragging upwards. And we can add our pretty fast distortion. And then we can turn down the mix so it's not hitting crazily right away. And then for our second slot, we can add a fruity soft clip so it sits in the beat right. And then so I feel like this was a pretty short tutorial. I really just wanted to go over how to make 808s glide. And if you actually want to learn how to make a drill beat and learn some different hi-hat patterns, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I'm offering 3 producers to help break down their beats and make them better. So in the description, I have a link to my beat breakdown. I'm helping 3 producers for free. And this will help you improve your beats by showing you what works, showing you what feels stuck, bland, or repetitive, or even your own personal wishes. So whatever you would like help with, I can help with that. And if you want to participate, all you gotta do is click the link in my description or in my bio. And if you actually learned how to make glide notes in your drill beats, like the video. Also, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and turn on the post notifications. Click the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.